Good morning to everyone. Welcome back students. So today we will continue the lesson that is pattern and symmetry. Okay. So in the second session you already learnt. So what multiplication by 10 and 100 and division by 10 and 100 you already learnt. So about all these we can see the exercise. So exercise now. Exercise 16.2. Yes. Do this on your own, observe and write the pattern. Yes, first one they can given here. 4 divides 2 is equal to, continue only this is, 6 divides 3 is equal to, 8 divides 4 is equal to, then 10 divides 5 is equal to 12 divides 6 is equal to. Yes, we can write the answer here. So we can find out the pattern. So 2 how much are 4? 2 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4. It means 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So answer we can write 2. 3 how much are 6? 3 2s are 6. Okay. 4 2s are 8. And 4 1s are 4 2s are, 5 1s are 5 2s are, 6 1s are 6 2s are 12. So we can find out here the pattern. It comes here the 2 and here see the even number. Say 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes, so we can see here the pattern, finding of pattern. Yes, and second one they can given here 9 divides is equal to 9. 18 divides is equal to 9. 27 divides is equal to 9. 36 divides is equal to 9. Yes, we can see the pattern. We can finding the product is here 9. So here which pattern it will be comes here. So they can given here 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Yes, also this is 9 3s are 27. So 3 1s are 3 9s are. Yes, so 9 4s are 27. 4 1s are 4 9s are 36. We can understanding this is a pattern. Yes, okay. Third one they can given here 10 divides is equal to 10. 20 divides is equal to 10. 30 divides is equal to 10. 40 divides is equal to 10. 50 divides equal to 10. Yes, we can finding here the pattern. So 10 1s are 10. Yes, 10 1s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 2 1s are 2 10s are. 3 1s are 3 10s are. 4 1s are 4 10s are. So 5 1s are 5 10s are. It means 5 10s are 50. 5 1s are 5 10s are 50. Understood? This is a pattern. So this is third one. Okay. Next one they can given here. Fourth one. 9 into 1 is equal to dash is equal to 1. 9 into 2 is equal to how much? It divides how much? Answer 2. 9 into 3 is equal to 3. 9 into 4 is equal to 4. 9 into 5 is equal to divides 5. Yes, first we will write here 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. Yes, so first we can be write here the table. So it means multiplication form. So next one, 9, how much the 1? 9 divides 9. So we can get answer 1. Next, how much the 9? 9 2s are 18. Yes, 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. It means here 3 1s are 3. Sorry, here 9 it comes. So here 9 1s are 9 3s are 27. So here also same. 9 1s are 9 4s are 36. 9 1s are 9 5s are 45. Yes, understood? So this is the pattern we can be called here. Yes, understood this is? Okay. So next one we are going to that. So already you learned the multiplication form of here and division number by 10 and 100, and also so you learned multiplication and division. So next we are going to see the exercise 16.3. Okay, see the exercise 16.3. Yes, they can given here, see students. First main, examine the table given below and decide whether it is in pattern or not. So color the right answer. Yes, they can given here. See, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. 7 into 8 is equal to how much? 56. So 8 into 9 is equal to 72. 9 into 10 is equal to 90. Yes, see here they can given here. So this is the form, pattern form. So what we will tell, so this is a pattern, it comes or not. So yes or no we will be finding. Okay, here what they can taken here, see students. Yes, so they can given here 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, and here 12 minus 6 is equal to how much? 6. Next, 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. Then 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. 42 minus 30 is equal to 12. 56 minus 42 is equal to 14. 72 minus 56 is equal to 16. 90 minus 72 is equal to 18. Yes. So what we can be finding here? So examine the table below, the decide whether it is in pattern or not. If it is pattern, so color the right answers. So which is the right answer, you can be give the color of this one. So first how we will be finding this is pattern RG. See, 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. They can taken here, so this number 2. So next 3 before number here, 3 into 4 next number, 4 5s are 20. So here see all here we can seeing this one. This is pattern or not, how we will be finding means this is the product. Okay, so they can taken product and so they did minus here. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Next 12 minus 6 is equal to 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 12. So all it comes as a even number. Yes. So we can finding this is a pattern. So pattern is yes or no they can be mentioned. This is a pattern. Understood? So because here see all the even numbers are comes here. So they can be taken product and they minus here. So we can finding the even numbers. Okay. Next one they can given here, that is the second main. Yes, see the second main. Fill up the blanks. Check whether they form any pattern mark. Write to the correct answers. So here they can given here 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to how much? 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Okay, so answer 1 into 4 into 5 is equal to how much? 4 5s are 20. 1 into 6 into 7. So 6 7s are 42. So we can finding, see this is, it comes a pattern. So pattern arranging is there here. No. So here 6 is there, 20 is there, 42 is there. So it means in between any pattern we can't to see. So this is we can write as no. Okay. Yes. So next one question they can given here, that is second one. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 7 into 9 is equal to 63. 9 into 11 is equal to 99. So they can be mentioned. So this is pattern or not. Okay. So they can say taken here product and they minus here. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Next 35 minus 15. Next 35 minus 15. 63 minus 35. Next 99 minus 63. So what we will finding here? So we can find out and write the answers. Here see 35 minus 15. So 5 minus 5 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. We can get answer 20. Next one 63 minus 35. So find out here what we can be finding. We can get the answer how much it comes here. The difference we can be see if it is pattern or not. Yes. So see the finding answer, that is yes. See here. So we can be get minus here 63 minus 35. 63 minus 35 here. So we can get 13. We can see here. So this is 1 it will be goes to here. So it will become 5. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Okay. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So answer here will write 28. Next one. So 99 minus 63. Okay. So 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So it's a 36. See here students, in between for here to here 8 difference is there. Here to here 8. Here to here 8. 28 and 36. So 36 minus 28, you do that is, so we can get answer 28. So this is pattern or not? Yes, this is pattern. Understood this is? Okay. So next they can given here students, geometrical pattern having symmetry or not. So geometrical patterns. We can see that is symmetry or not. Yes, before this is see here another one main is there, that is third main. Fill up the blanks and observe the pattern. Yes, so 60 divides 5. Next 60 divides 10. 60 divides 15. 60 divides 20. Yes. So here see students. So 5 and 60 we can be see here. So dividing method we can finding here. So how much it comes here? 5 how much the 60? We can do here see. 60 divides 5. 5 1s are 5. Yes. 6 minus 6 minus 5 is how much? 1. So take 0 here. 5 to 10. Yes, answer is how much? 12. Yes, here see we can get here 5 12s are 60. So here they can given here 10 how much are 60? 10 6 are 60. So here 15 and 60 is there. So 15 how much are 60? So 15 how much is 60? So we can write here see 60 15. Okay. So 15 see here in 60 it will comes here. So 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are like it can be go on, that is what? We can see the table of 15, that is yes 15 how much is 15 how much is 60. So 15 ones are tables you can count here 15 4s are 60. Yes, you can get answer, that is 4. Next 20 how much is 30. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It means 23s are 60. Here see 5 12s are 60, 10 6s are 60, 15 4s are 60, 23s are 60. We can get answer, that is 6. Okay. See that this is a we can pattern they can be mentioned here. Okay. So next one they can given here, that is second one. Fill up the blanks and observe the pattern. Second, 2 plus 0 is divides 2 is equal to how much? Next, 2 plus 1 divides 3 is equal to 2 plus 2 divides 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 divides 5 is equal to 2 plus 4 divides 6 is equal to, yes, here see students 2 plus 0 means here 2 divides 2 is how much? 2 divides 2, 2 1s are 2, answer how much it comes here? That is 1. Same here 2 plus 1 is how much? 3, 3 divides 3 is 1. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4, 4 divides 4 is 1. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 5 divides 5 is 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divides 6 is 1. So, we can call it this is a pattern. Yes. Okay. Next one they can given here, that is yes geometrical pattern. So here above the figure they have only one line symmetry, for example A. Yes, so this is only one line symmetry. So here we can understanding that is a symmetry. So one line symmetry and two line symmetry. So if we can be fold these figures in two ways or by drawing the types of dotted lines, we get two symmetrical figures. Here see, if we can be fold this one, for example I'll show you, this is a textbook. Okay, so I'll dividing two here. Okay, so if I can be fold this one, so it will complete one above the other. See, one above the other, it means arranging one above the other. Yes, so if we can be opening, so this we can be called as like a asymmetry. So if I can tell this one here, see, like this it can be opening. So if it can be folded one above the other, exactly it will be both are in one way. Yes, so looking as in one, so it can be opening. So like here A, if I can be folded A, like we can be folded A like this one, so it's completely one above the other. So this is a two symmetry we can. So it means we can two symmetrical figure. So only one line, that is a dotted line, we will be drawn here. Like same a letter B. So here see, this is a symmetry. If we can be folded this, so it completely one above the other. Okay. Next D. Same. Yes, this is a symmetry. And next E. This is a symmetry. Yes. So next I'll draw here like leaf. leaf. Yes, so this is a symmetry. If I folded this one, it will completely one above the other. Yes, so these all we can be called as a geometrical pattern having a figure. So it means these all are alphabet. Okay, so alphabet symmetry. Yes, so here see geometrical shapes. For example, we can take triangle. Okay, so triangle we can make a two divides. In one triangle we can make a two divides, like this also it comes, that is also symmetry. And here see, this is also symmetry. Okay, and here see, this is also symmetry. So folded one above the other. Yes, so these all are triangle symmetries. Okay, and here see, there are three lines of symmetry in equilateral triangle. So in a three lines, so here it is also, it comes here, this is also symmetry, this is also symmetry. Three line in a symmetry of in equilateral triangle. Okay, like in next we can going as see the square. In square we can see the symmetry like this, then we can see the symmetry like this. Okay, and next symmetry like, and see the symmetry. Yes, so these all are symmetry we can see in the square. Understood? So if we can be folded one above the other. So next we can see here the four lines that is in the rectangle shape. Here see students, so this is one symmetry. Yes, this is one symmetry. Same here, this is one symmetry, and this is also one symmetry. You can see here, so a rectangle has a two line of symmetry. Understood? Okay, so it has a four line of symmetry. So here they can be given here, a regular hexagon has a sixth line of symmetry. How it comes here, sixth line of symmetry, hexagon? So here see, so this is hexagon. Yes, so how many lines of symmetry it comes here, see students? 1, 2, 3. It means here from we can see here how many symmetry it comes here? 3 here, 4, 5, 6. Sixth line of symmetry. Understood? Okay, hexagonal has a sixth line of symmetry. Okay, see here they can given here in the exercise 16.4. So first main they can given here, draw the axis of symmetry to the following figures. So they can given here one of the figure like this. Okay, see the symmetry of this figure. Okay, we will put the symmetry. Okay, so this is a triangle, so this is a symmetry, and this is here pentagon. Yes, we can see the symmetry. Next, so this is a circles, see the symmetry. Next, here see, this is the symmetry, and next shape like this, so it's a symmetry. And yes, you can see this one like this also we can be make symmetry, and also like this also we can be make symmetry. And next figure, yes, So like this we can make a symmetry. Understood this is? So we can see the symmetry in the first main. Draw the axis of symmetry. So second main, what they can given here? See in second main. So how many axes of symmetry are there for each of these shapes? So here see, this is one shape. How many axes of symmetry we will make here? So 1 and 2 shapes. It means two axes of symmetries. So next one, like this. So this is one symmetry and this is another symmetry. Two axes of symmetry. Okay. And next one, this is one symmetry, 2 and 3. So it means here we can see two, 3. Okay, 3 line of symmetry. Next, yes, here how many axes of symmetry? This is, it not comes 1, 2, okay, 2 symmetry it comes here. Okay, yes, so these all are here. The how many axes of symmetries are in the shapes. Okay, and next main they can given here, like they can shape given here, we can be complete that graph sheet. Okay, see, so this main we will complete in textbook only because they can be given here in the graph. Yes, see here students, they can given here, complete the shape on the graph sheet using axis of symmetry. Yes, so using axis of symmetry means we can use this, like we can be complete the shape. Yes, we can be complete a axis of symmetry, like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like joining lines. Yes, this is one symmetry. See, joining of this. Next, that is a letter E. Yes, we complete the symmetry. Okay, and next one they can given here. Yes, we can complete the symmetry, like you can be joining this one, complete, give the complete shape. Yes, okay. Next one, draw the next below letters in a big size in a notebook and draw all possible axes of symmetry. Yes, we can see here students. First we can see here, before going to this one, we can see in alphabet how many alphabets are comes in a symmetry. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So here see in alphabet, so how many letters having in a, it means how many letters having possible in a axis, it means axis of symmetry. Yes, so this is A is a axis of symmetry, B, then C, D, E, F it not comes. Okay, Z it not comes, H it comes, I also it comes, like this and like this. So J not comes, axis of symmetry. Okay, next K it comes, like L, M, N not comes, O, P not, Q not, R also not, S. So S it comes or not, it is like this, it can be folded, it comes here, so it's not also comes S. So T like this, it comes here, T. So axis of symmetry. Next U, V, W, X like this and like this also. This is Y not come and Z not come. So you can understanding how many letters having the axis of symmetry. Understood? So you can see here, find out C, in the C it comes here, and M is axis, X also, so axis of symmetry, and V it comes, then A also it comes, D also comes, so O is also axis of symmetry, W is also axis of symmetry, N it not comes axis of symmetry, and B also it comes axis of symmetry. Okay, so in this given a letter only N is not a axis of symmetry. So remaining all in the question, remaining all it comes. Okay. Yes, write any two English alphabets which have no axis of symmetry. I already told here. So P is also not comes, then Q is also not comes, R is also not comes, then Y, Z, yes, Z. So these alphabets are not comes the axis of symmetry. Understood, students? Yes, so today we'll complete this lesson. Tomorrow we'll see the next lesson. Yes, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you for watching.